Γεια σας, είμαι ο Τάσος Καραμάνος, καινούριος παίκτης της Rio Ave. In Portuguese. Novo jogador do Rio Ave. Hola, sou Caramanos, novo jogador do Rio Ave. After a first great experience in my previous team here in Portugal, my target was to return one time again in this league. I didn't expect to return so fast, but it is a great opportunity, and I'm very happy to be part of Portuguese football again. And I hope that all this kind of energy I have inside me, I can give to the team to succeed in this league. It was a little bit difficult when I first arrived here. All this power, the rhythm was different from the league in Greece, but it was easy for me after a small period to be a part, of this kind of football, and believe me, I like really much the football that they play here in Portugal. And when I had this offer from Rio Ave, I didn't think too much, and I think I was blessed to come to play again in this country. I know everything, and especially I love the food here in Portugal. But yes, I know everything now. I'm not like last year. The second time is more easy, and all the things of the life. So I'm really prepared for my second experience here in Portugal, but my main focus now is only in football. All the other things are easy for me now. Of course, I know Rio Ave from last year. I know it's a great club here in Portugal, and all the guys I speak or my old teammates, they speak to me about this team with great words, and they told to me to come without any doubt, So I think that I don't know if it's gonna be a big step for my career, but I want to succeed with this team, not only as a person, but I want more to help the team to succeed their targets. For the attackers, for the strikers, their life is the goal, That's why we have a Greek word that they pay for them, But I think that the life of a striker is a goal. But for me as a person, is like to help the team to be a good part of the team, a good teammate. And I think this is the most important inside the team. So if the team is okay, I hope I will be better and I score many goals to help first the team and after myself.